To start the POS, double-click on the Retail Management Hero point of sale icon on your desktop. Then simply enter your credentials and click on Login. Here is the RMH POS window. In the top section of the window, you may see the font size, the resolution of the screen, and the color theme, which can be set to dark or light. On the left side of the screen, we see two tabs. The first one, the Transaction tab, displays the main POS transaction screen. The second one, the Internet Browser tab, in order for your staff to be easily able to search online, have access to your store website, and your product catalog. In the center portion of the POS, you'll be able to research a specific item by description, department, or category. You can use the search field or simply use your scanner to scan an item. The shopping bag indicates the current transaction mode. It is set to sale by default, but it could display a quote, a work order, a layaway, and so on. The arrow will allow you to organize the items of your transaction in an ascending or descending order. The chain icon will allow you to roll up your transaction items, which will adjust the quantity accordingly. The custom command section is a great feature of RMH. You will be able to set up any custom button and shortcut, such as this 10% discount shortcut. This will make your transaction process even more efficient. On the bottom left side of the screen, you can view the total savings, as well as the item count of your transaction. On the right side, you will see taxes and totals. You can also access a keyboard by clicking on the keyboard icon, which is very practical if you are using a touchscreen. Lastly, let's look briefly at the POS functionality buttons. The first one, Items, to look up specifics about your items. The second one, Customers, to look up a customer or create a new one. The third one, Taxes. The fourth one, Transaction, to tender, recall, or process a return. The fifth one, Orders, to change your transaction type. The sixth one, Discounts, to apply the various discounts to your items. And lastly, Operations, to view your X and Z reports. Now, if we process a sales transaction, you can see how quick and easy it is to tender sales in RMH. You can just tender the sale by pressing Enter or F12, and then select your client's payment mode. Your cashier will be prompted to ask for an email address, or simply to choose to print out the receipt. The transaction is then completed.